In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WordPress website on a localhost using XAMPP. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. We'll start by setting up the local server. Head to the Apache Friends website and download the XAMPP installer for your operating system. Run the installer and follow the prompts. The defaults are fine for most people. When it finishes, open the XAMPP control panel. Start Apache and MySQL, and make sure both show as running. If either won't start, it may be a port conflict. Closing other apps that use ports 80 or 3306, or running XAMPP as an administrator, usually fixes it. Next, grab WordPress. Go to wordpress.org and download the latest version as a zip file. When the download completes, extract the zip so you have the full WordPress folder ready to copy. Now place those files where XAMPP serves websites. Open your XAMPP installation directory, then open the htdocs folder. Create a new folder for your site, for example my WordPress site. Open that folder and copy all the extracted WordPress files and folders into it. The folder name you choose will become part of the local URL you'll use to access the site. With the files in place, create a database for WordPress. In your browser, go to http://localhost/phpMyAdmin. In phpMyAdmin, click New or the Databases tab, enter a database name like WordPress_DB, and click Create. You don't need to add any tables manually. WordPress will do that during installation. Time to run the installer. In your browser, go to http://localhost/yourfolder_name, replacing your folder name with the folder you created, such as http://localhost/mywordpress_site. Choose your language and continue. On the database setup screen, enter the database name you just created. For username, use root. Leave the password field blank. Database host should be localhost, and you can keep the table prefix as WP_ unless you prefer a custom prefix. Submit the form, then click Run the installation. You'll now provide your site details. Enter a site title, choose a secure username and password for your admin account, and add an email address for notifications and password recovery. Click Install WordPress, and wait a moment while WordPress sets everything up. Once you see the success screen, you can log in to your dashboard at http://localhost/yourfolder_name/wp_admin using the credentials you just created. To view your site, visit http://localhost/yourfolder_name. From the dashboard, you can install themes and plugins, create pages and posts, and experiment safely in your local environment before taking anything live. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.